Welcome once again. Today I'll be walking you through on how to find profitable keywords on Amazon KDP. All right, free. Okay, so we are going to do it the manual process and also use free tools. So if you have been struggling with how to find that keywords that will make your book sell or keywords that you need to create your title under, this video is going to help you because I'm going to break things down for you. You don't need to pay for any tool for you to use this method. Okay? But one thing is important in this process when we discover the word, you need to niche down. Niching down will help you to target a specific audience based on that keyword and make your money in return. All right. The essence is to make money because it's not easy to write high content books. See, I preach high content books because I know that low content books are everywhere. So let's get to this PC. Let me show you the first method. Okay. All right. The first step is to open your web browser. Okay. Here I'll be using Google Chrome. Then you need to place your browser in incognito mode. So I'll click on these three dots and select new incognito window. The time may vary depending on the browser you are using, but if you are using Google Chrome, it's the same thing. So visit Amazon.com. Why we are using this in incognito mode is because we don't want Amazon to track our history. Okay, so we want it to give us results based on what people come to the platform to search about. All right, so click on this all menu and select books. As a writer or a publisher, you must have something you want to write about. Okay, depending on the niche you're focusing. Maybe you're into woodworking, so you have to start typing woodworking and allow the Amazon platform to suggest some related keywords to you. All right. And for somebody that is into tech like me, maybe I want to write a book on cybersecurity. I want to write a title on cybersecurity. And I want to find out if cybersecurity is a profitable niche. So I will start writing, typing cybersecurity. You can see as I type cybersecurity, some results have been brought out for me. I have cybersecurity, I have cybersecurity Bible, and I have cyberpunk and the rest. So if I select cybersecurity, let's see what we have in return. Now, this has returned some results for us, but there is a place I want you to pay attention to. All right, look at this. This is 10,000 plus results. What this implies is that there are titles and subtitles, the number of titles and subtitles that have written something on cybersecurity on Amazon is over 10,000. So that is highly competitive. So we have to niche down to reduce this number. That's what I said at the beginning that we need to niche down. Okay, let's say I want to write a book on cybersecurity for beginners 2024. Okay, I'll press enter. Okay, then get to this place. You can see 70 results, meaning that the titles and subtitles of books on this platform that are competing for this keyword, cybersecurity for beginners 2024, is just 70. So, meaning that we have less competition if we are going to write a book on this keyword. Are you getting it? So instead of having a broad keyword, niche down. This is what we call niching down, so that you get the best result and get less competition from other writers. So now you can see this book. Another thing that we need to click on each of these titles, some of them on the first page, and ensure that one or two has bestsellers rank of below 150,000. The lesser the bestseller rank, the better it is. All right. So a bestseller rank of one means that that book is number one on the platform. So it's performing very well. So let's click on this cybersecurity for beginners 2024 and see the bestsellers rank. Okay, this has 4 million bestsellers rank. So it's not a good one. So we have to go back and check other books there. Okay. And another thing you should know, I used to say this in most of my videos. A plus content is a key. So this one does not even have any A plus content. So that may be another reason why it's not selling very well. So let's get back. Then, okay, let's look at this cybersecurity, a dummy's guide for beginners. Okay. So let's check this. Taking a look at this, let's this have 27 ratings so far. Okay, so we move down. You can see this have 65%, 65,000, sorry, bestsellers rank. So it shows us that this is a good title. So people are already buying. Okay, so we can invest in it. Let's go and check to see if we can discover another one that may have a good bestsellers rank. Okay, let's check this. So this is a keyword to invest in if you want to do something on cybersecurity. And if you look at this bestsellers rank, if you want to see top books under in bestsellers rank, you can click on this. This can be another avenue for you to find out books that are doing well. Look at this good energy, this surprising connection is number one on Amazon's as of today. Okay, so from there, maybe you think of some ideas, some book ideas you can invest in as well. All right, just check the competition, and if it's okay, you write on that keyword. Another approach we can use that will make the process more easier for us is using Chrome extensions. Okay, so they're free to use, you don't pay for these tools. In case you don't know, extensions are piece of software that you can install on a particular app to offer you more services. And here, the two Chrome extensions we are going to install on our browser are DS Amazon Quick View and Amazon Suggestion Expander. So I will walk you through on how to install these extensions, and after that, we use them to discover some profitable keywords that will help us make more money on the platform so that we don't waste time writing something that doesn't sell. So let's get to our screen again. That approach involves that we need to install the plugin I talked about. So we will go ahead and install the plugin. But before that, before we do that, we will need to exit the incognito mode. All right. So open your Chrome browser and follow me. Let's install the extension. All right. First, let's install DS Amazon Quick View. All right. And for you to install the extension, you need to click on these three dots on your browser. All right. Once you do that, click on extensions. Then select the option Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you are landed on this page, you need to click in this search bar area and type the extension you want to install on the browser. And here we are installing DS Amazon Quick View. So we start typing the words. You can see it has shown up. I'll click on it. Once it opens like this, click on the button Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. And the extension is added, and this page is guiding you on how to use it. So let's close it. We need to then go ahead and install the second extension we need here. And that extension is AMZ Suggestion Expander. All right. That AMZ stands for Amazon. All right. You can see it here. So click on it. As it shows up, click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. It opens this page automatically asking us to fill some information so that they will be giving us updates. But here we don't need it, please. So close this. Close this. All right, we now need to visit Amazon. Now we are visiting Amazon not in incognito mode, on a normal default mode of the browser. So visit amazon.com, because if we go incognito, we may not be able to dictate what we want to dictate at the end. Okay. As usual, click here and select books. Now we want to find out profitable keyword that this tool will help us, this free tool will help us discover. And let's assume I want to check if the title Quick Books Online is a profitable one. So I will type it in the search area and then know if it is going to, pop up something good. So let's start. As you can see, as we are typing the keywords, this is helping us, these tools we installed now is helping us to find out some things about the keyword that are profitable. You can see QuickBooks 2025, you can see QuickBooks Online. Okay, so let's click on this and see what we have in return. And this has returned some books, but as usual, we have to pay attention to this. So this has given us that the search result based on these keywords is 630 results, meaning that titles and subtitles that have this keyword here, QuickBooks Online, are about 630. And the lesser they are, the better for us. So we need to niche down the more. So let me add for beginners. All right, this has returned another result for us, which is 310 result. It's cool. All right, so far is 1000 down. It's fine. But for you to target more specific audience, you may need to add more thing to reduce competition. So if I should add 2024 here, let's see the results we get. 76, better. All right. So from here now, we have discovered that this QuickBooks Online for Beginners 2024 is likely to be a profitable keyword for us to write on. But we need to take additional steps and check few books that are on the first page. Because of the extensions we installed, when you take your cursor to any image of the book, you will see the bestsellers rank and other details. For example, now this one is 11,205. So we don't need to start opening each of the books. Then take your cursor here. This one is 54,000. I scroll down, take my cursor here. This one is 69,000. So they're all below 100,000. So these extensions have made our work easier. So based on your interest, your niche, search for some keywords. And once you check these factors and then mix up with them, come on, you are good. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we teach a lot of things which cuts across the areas of technology. Okay, we cover self-publishing, YouTube education, how to use different phones, Android and iPhone, how to use different computers. So subscribing to this channel will help you gain access to some useful information that can make you to be more productive. It's not a bad thing if you learn how to use some productivity software. They will help you as well and make your work easy. So you need to subscribe. Okay? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? All right? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is a helpful one and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there is no how YouTube will know that this content is a helpful one. So the only way they know that contents are helpful are by directions. So hit that up, okay? Hit the one that points up. So learn more on how to grow and make more money on Amazon KDP. Consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.